The ASSHEE International Workshop was formulated in 2019 by NIT Agartala through an international collaboration with Russia, Finland, and Italy. It achieved an overwhelming success from the students, young scientists, engineers, and professionals, not only in Asiatic countries, Asian countries, and African countries like Nigeria, but also in developed countries like Russia, Finland, Italy, and Japan. The ASSHEE is now a phenomenal international platform to exchange knowledge, expertise, and experience for benefit to the society, particularly to the young students, researchers in the field of earth sciences, earthquake engineering, civil engineering, and seismic hazard mitigation. NIT Agartala recommends you to join ASSHEE 2020 for a wholesome experience in the field of advanced seismology, seismic hazards, and earthquake engineering.